So first of all, I want it at the frog, really here. Try playing Colle. Okay, so first of all, I want it at the frog, really here. Yeah? Second, I'm watching your hand to see if you are moving, and you are. I don't move. My hand does not move. My fingers move. You need to find a place for your elbow, probably higher. You need to make sure that your hand has room to swing. My hand can swing under my arm, right? So that's where my fingers pick up the bow and push the bow. Intonation. Don't look at the music. You know how to play re major. Watch your right hand. When you move down bow, the fingers go from curled to straight. I think your wrist is too bent. So if you're doing this, you need to, right? And you don't need to go down so far. You could be closer to the string, right? The more bent your wrist, the less flexibility in your fingers. I think the wrist is too high, the hand is going down too much. Try finding a place closer to the string. Yes. Don't watch me, watch your hand. Of all the different bow strokes, this one is the most important. Because when you play fortissimo, an attack, you have to have a clear beginning. How do you start Brahms? Brahms concerto. Yeah, you start with a scratch. Right? You want to start with a pop. Right? Start, Brahms. Do you hear? Your start is like a big club, and my start is like a sharp sword. Yes? So I don't expect that you will get it right now, but this Colle scale is for every fortissimo attack. For chords. Right? I'm able, for chords in Bach even. By practicing with Colle, instead of the chord taking from here to here, I can make a chord fit in here. this is a surgical selection of the beginning of a note. Yes? The other thing about Colle, for me, I find that if I am not warmed up, my hand forgets this feeling that my hand and the bow are blended together. Practicing Colle without my index finger helps me to feel that the bow has merged with my hand. So after you can do Colle, challenge yourself. Colle, no index finger. So after I do a whole 3-octave scale like that, I really feel